Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Now back to school started after a very long winter break. It was for approximately 15 days around. Today I will be sharing one perfect recipe which I made for potluck, and that too in a very large quantity with tips and tricks I will share with you. It is nothing but muglai kofta curry recipe. Very tasty and very interesting recipe. I'm sure all of you will try it too. Keep watching. Today I have come to Costco for back to school shopping. Instantly I need few things which I need for daily school tiffin box packing and all. This is the tortilla which I buy for making wraps. It is the 3 into 10, that is inside there will be 3 packs with 10 on each. And this is the bread I buy. This is nothing but multigrain with sprouted grains. Very healthy and nutritious bread that only I buy. And these are some nut bars, very tasty. Those are not for school, that's for myself, a snacking time. And few veggies also I buy from here, which are always for wholesale price. It is best to buy in Costco. I buy lot of veggies from Costco, like that of carrots, onions, potatoes. They all come in big bags, so I choose to buy them from here. Eggs also every time I buy from Costco only. Multiple times I tried to taste the other eggs which are non-organic ones also, but they were not tasting so good and I feel like they have little extra smell, so I choose to buy these organic eggs. Milk also price is not much different than the local market, just 50 cents difference only. I feel you will get variety over here, 1%, 2%, whole milk, lactose free, like that different variety of milk also you will get. Now these shrimp packets are back in stock. They are wild caught, that is the specialty over here, and they are cooked and peeled, ready to use either in salad or any form you like. It is our house favorite, so every time I don't miss it out. I definitely take it with me. That's it. Our shopping is done. I came specially to take those tortillas and bread for making wraps and sandwiches. That's it. Done my shopping in Costco and see the tortillas next day morning to school tiffin box wraps. These are nice, big. I don't know why they taste really very good than local market. These wraps, they are nice and big. You will have different sizes also. Today we inspired with the Tim Hortons farmer's wrap, right? Like that only I'm making. Did you see the filling? It is nothing but the hash brown. Hash browns are nothing but potato patties which you will get everywhere in Walmart, No Frills, Freshco, everywhere you can find it in the freezer aisle. That only I am just filling it inside. This is how you will get farmer's wrap in Tim Hortons, and my kids love it too. Any sauce or any cheese you want you can use in them for filling. It's a very tasty and very flavorful wrap. Just give it a try if you also want to try something new. This time in Canada, I feel the snow is very less compared to last year. Anyways, the snow season has started. All week long we have forecast of snow. Little, not too much, but still this is always a routine for all of us to just get used to cleaning, shoveling before going to school. Not only snow, but also in between we will have rain also. That's how it take turns on and off. Now let's come to our dish. For potluck, along with the curry, I also prepared a salad. Salad is normal salad only, but the dressing is different. And this is the curry I made, that is kofta curry, and you can see the table. It's a variety of foodie spread over here on the table. All dishes were extremely tasty. Everybody had made their perfect dish for potluck. My preparation always starts with previous day. Previous day only I went to buy the meat also. As I have decided kofta curry, I bought 2 kgs, exactly 2 kgs minced meat. Here first I will show you. I have taken 3 large onions and 1 full bunch of coriander, handful of mint and handful of green chilies. Don't add any water, just grind it into thick paste. Now on this mince, I am taking 3 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and this is nothing but the onion paste which we prepared, right? All that, bring it in that, and 1 large tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. This is the chana dal or the roasted chana dal. I made powder of that 1 full cup. One thing I must say is nothing but the garam masala. In that, definitely add nutmeg powder, which will give extra flavor and fragrance to your kebabs. I am just mixing it in another pot. Nicely rub and mix, which is very important. If you can't rub with your hands, run all the mixture together in the food processor itself. Your job will be done. Now I am making koftas in a nice large baking tray. I have put the parchment paper and give a nice oil spray. I have made all the koftas with this 2 kg of mince. I was able to make 55 koftas approximately. All koftas are very well ready for getting baked. I am just going to spray little bit of oil also. If you don't have spray, don't worry, it is optional only. I am going to bake all this together to make my job very easy. If you have air fryer, you can do air fry, or even on stove top tawa. It's time consuming. This is easy for me. I baked for 350 degree Fahrenheit only for 30 minutes. As it is beef, right? Beef koftas it is. So I am just discarding all the fat which came out of it while baking. If you have it for chicken and all, right, I don't discard. I use it while making curry itself. But I have made it in large quantity with a plan to make another dish another day. I am making only 30 koftas for the party, and the rest, all 25 koftas, I am just going to freeze them. Like this, normally you can prepare the koftas in large quantity and make it into small portions and freeze them for using it in your day-to-day regular cooking menu. Now next I prepare and keep is this fried onions. Always fried onions will make your job much more quicker and easier. Whenever I fry puris or vadas and all, right, the oil I just don't discard. I make lot of fried onions and then throw the oil. After frying the onions, just do this way and spread it out and keep with the fork. It will be nice and crisp. If you just leave it as a lump, right, they won't be crispy. Whenever I fry these fried onions, I make little extra so that I can use it multiple times. Now getting started making the curry, I have taken 2 large tomatoes and making a puree. Then let's get started with the making of the curry. I have taken enough oil in a wide open pot and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. To that I added 3 potatoes cut into cubes. In that I am going to just add handful of crushed onions, that is fried onions, little bit of turmeric powder and salt. Here today, like hara masala only I am going to prepare. I have added tomato paste also, puree also. Nicely fry it, cover it and cook until the potatoes are halfway cooked. Now in a blender jar, I am taking 2 cups of fried onions. To that I will be adding 1 bunch of coriander, handful of mint, green chilies, peppercorn and 1 full cup of yogurt. If you want to increase or decrease your curry, here you have to adjust the onion and the curd. Increase the quantity. And now I am adding little bit of water also to make it easy to nicely blend all together. Nicely make it a fine paste. If you want, you can add more water also. Now in this pot I am just bringing all that paste which I made, right? Add enough water. As much as you want, you add water. Whenever you are making kofta, add lot of water. Now I added garam masala and adjust the salt, because koftas itself will absorb lot of liquid and they will puff up. So keep little bit runny curry so that it will become thick later on. Check the potatoes when it is almost 3/4 done. Now I'm going to add the koftas. They are 30 in number. You will see in a little while the curry has just risen up and I don't have space to add more ingredients and adjust and let it cook. I am going to shift it to another bigger pot. I don't know what happened right from beginning, even while mixing kofta also, right? The pot was small. I just shifted to a bigger pot. Now while cooking also the same happens. See the fried onions extra for next time to use. Now I have taken in a small blender jar. I have taken handful of cashew, little bit of melon seeds and poppy seeds, that is hush hush. Add little water, make a fine paste. Now all potatoes, koftas, all are well done. I am adding this cashew and poppy seed paste. Add enough water after this off and leave it for it to rest. When I tasted, I felt it is little bit spicier side, so I added cream. Even otherwise, cream if you want you can omit or you can add, it's your choice. Let's come to the salad. It's a normal lettuce, tomato and cucumber salad. I have added little extra proteins in them, that is nothing but the rajma. You can take black bean or red kidney beans, anything of your choice, or even chana. Like that only today I have taken rajma. I am going to make it with sour cream. The dip is sour cream I have taken. In that I have added all different kinds of sauces which I have. That is Thai chili sauce, chili garlic sauce. This is tahina paste, mustard, everything together. I will be adding little bit of salt and pepper also. And this is the heavy whipping cream. Nicely mix everything together. This should have been a little more loose form, but it is thick, no problem. You can dilute it more also. And our salad is also very much ready. I got loads of compliments for both the curry as well as the salad. This curry was extremely tastier and I'm sure all of you will try the same. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.